Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel, Construction Techniques at the Prefab Homes. We are at Hyderabad, 𝗢𝗚𝗘𝗢𝗚 location, and you can see this is a small room of 18 feet width and 14 feet length, and here we have used 2-inch Birla Aerocon wall panels and roofing with the 18 mm fiber cement board. So this project is being done on a turnkey basis, which includes the scope of work like the fabrication, then external walls, roofing, putty painting, electrical wiring, lighting, door, window, ceiling. All this thing is related except the plumbing and the tiles. So this is the WPC door, which is waterproof, and this is a UPVC window of 4x4 size, and this is the fabrication work. We have used 4x4 columns and 2x4 pipes, and this is the WPC door frame, which is waterproof again, and the small kind of sajjas or lentils, and is here. Total 2 days was the work done. 1 day fabrication, the other day is this wall panels installation. Depending work here is like the false ceiling, electrical, putty painting, and the waterproofing, which will be done simultaneously by tomorrow. And you can see this is on the terrace of the building apartment, and no permission is required for this, and we can reshift or relocate this thing in case if we want to change after few years or something like that. These panels are waterproof, termite proof, soundproof, heat proof, and the boards also, the roofing boards also. And the small things which you are seeing, all this will be covered in the process of putty and painting. So you see here also we have given a sajja. So here on the roofing side we can use multiple materials based on the costing. This is a simple structure, and on the roof there are no things to be placed. There will be no foot traffic on the roof. Only a simple roof is required because this is being used for a gym, something like that, or a small office or a small gathering room, guest room, something like that. We can use it. So this product is multiple of use, and depending upon the purpose, the thickness also varies. Here we have used the 2-inch wall panels. You can see here, this is the 2-inch wall panels. So it depends. I can show you somewhat dark here. This is the fabrication work. The good fabrication work was done. For every 2 feet we have used the purlins, and 4x4 columns we have used. So if you have any particular queries or doubts pertaining to any kind of construction listing, please comment, or I'll share my number which is there in my channel. You can contact me on that. Thank you.